Hey YouTube, hope you guys are doing well. Just cleaning my Avalon and noticed something in my car. I see that my headliner is coming off right by the sunroof area. It's kind of like has fallen off, and if you could see it right there, it looked like a double. It's being held by just a double-sided tape or something like that right there. So my plan is to repair it, the headliner, with alcohol or wipes, alcohol content, and use a Velcro instead and see if it works. There you go. Look like 4. Here it is. Try to remove the double-sided tape, but did not have much luck. I didn't really want to pry the headliner, so I actually just left the other 3 intact without doing anything. And then directly at the bottom, stuck the Velcro, hook and loop. That's one. Look at that, all repaired. It's holding. So far so good. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you haven't, click subscribe, click on that notification bell. I do a lot of do-it-yourself videos every time I encounter something in my cars and also my home. Thanks again. Bye for now.